Hey guys, welcome back to the Ball Kitchen. So we're having a little bit of a gathering today, so I'm going to show you a few simple things to make that are huge party favorites. We're going to be doing a smoked Chex mix and we're doing a smoked queso dip. Now I think we're lucky for the queso dip. We need a few other ingredients, but it looks like we have enough tomatoes and jalapenos to add to the mix. And after the queso, it's pretty simple too. This is just one of those things you just assemble it and put it in the pan and just put it in the smoker. You're gonna need onion, jalapenos, garlic, tomatoes, ground beef. We're using a chuck ground beef, black beans, and the important thing is Velveeta cheese. Velveeta is gonna give you that smooth consistency, where regular cheese turns out to be pretty gritty. I've tried both and this is the best option. And then lastly, add some black beans just to help add some more structure to it. Everything is going to be put into these pans. I've got 4 of these pans. We are going to add a water bath to the bottom of the smoker and then put these in here just to make sure nothing burns and cooks evenly with enough moisture that it doesn't dry out. Now the ingredients for the smoked Chex mix is pretty simple. I use corn and rice Chex Kix, and then I add some peanuts and almonds, some moon cheese in the place of Cheez-Its or Goldfish. I normally add those, but I didn't have any of those, so this is what we're gonna run with. And then I've got some mini pretzels. Now you're also gonna need butter and barbecue seasoning as well. That is going to give it some nice flavoring, and then once it's all combined together, then we're going to add it to the smoker for about 45 minutes to an hour just to get a little smoke flavor added to it. I'll leave all the ingredients in the description below, but to help out, we're going to be adding 2 cups of rice Chex, 2 cups of corn Chex, 2 cups of Kix, 1 cup of peanuts, 1 cup of almonds, 2 cups of moon cheese. I'm using moon cheese instead of Cheez-Its or Goldfish because that's what I've got. And then about a cup or a little more of a pretzel of some sort. And then we're going to mix it all up. Then to 1 stick of butter, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and then 3 tablespoons of barbecue seasoning. Give it all a good stir and then add it to your dry ingredients and mix it all up. Set that to the side, it's ready for the smoker. Got the water pan in and the smoker is running. I'm smoking a little bit of hickory and it's all preheated about 275. They should sit in here for about an hour and everything should be ready. Alright, so that's it. That's all it takes. It's real simple stuff. That's just 2 of the sides. We have a whole lot of other stuff that we'll be putting out. I'll just kind of give you a brief overview here at the end of the video. People are going to start coming soon. It is starting to rain a little bit. Hopefully it just is quick and holds off. But thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you soon.